Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Node.js on Ubuntu step by step. We'll cover the most common methods, APT and NodeSource. This method works perfectly on both Ubuntu server and local machines. All the commands and links are listed in the video description for your reference. Alright guys, let's jump right in and make sure your system up to date. This makes sure Ubuntu's all set before we install anything. Now let's check if Node.js is already installed. If you see command not found, that means Node.js isn't installed yet. Alright, let's install Node.js using the APT package manager, Ubuntu's default repository. This install the version available in Ubuntu's of your repository. Once that's done, check the version. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment down below. Now the Node.js version from APT is usually a bit outdated. So next we'll use NodeSource, which gives you the latest stable release of Node.js and npm. You can find this command right on the official Node.js site. Now copy this link and paste it into your browser to open the NodeSource GitHub page. Once you are there, copy the command from the page. It will look something like this. They link directly to the NodeSource setup script for each version. Before we continue, make sure curl is installed. If it is not, just run. And if you are not familiar with curl, I've got a separate video explaining what it is and how to use it, linked in the description. Now paste this copied command into your terminal and hit enter. That'll add the NodeSource setup for Node.js 22. Then install Node.js again. Even if you already installed it earlier, run it again after adding NodeSource. This ensures you are getting the latest version. Finally, verify everything. Optional: update npm to the latest version. This ensures you have the latest Node.js and the most up-to-date npm version installed correctly. And that's it. Node.js is now installed and ready to go on Ubuntu. Next, I'll show you how to install Node.js using NVM. Super handy if you work with multiple node versions. In that video, I'll also cover essential NVM commands like switching version, checking installation, and managing multiple node environments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.